Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by SmokinSteve's today. We got a dandy for you today. I think you're really going to love it. We're going to be grilling up some honey sriracha chicken thighs. And it's really going to be good. I can't wait to get into this. We're going to show you how we get it all prepped up. And we're going to be grilling it up on the RecTeq BullsEye today using Bear Mountain Bold pellets. I just love these Bear Mountain pellets, guys. They got a lot of different flavors, and I've tried several of them, but my go-to is the Bold. I really like the Bold. It gives you a little more smoky flavor, and it burns hot, it burns clean, very little ash. It's good stuff. So guys, let's go ahead and get this chicken and get it all prepped up and ready for the grill. Okay, here's our chicken thighs. Got them unpackaged, rinsed them off with water. We're going to get them patted dry here with paper towel before we put our seasoning on there. Now you can put whatever seasoning you want. If you got a favorite seasoning, go ahead and use that. But today, I'm going to be using the Dizzy Pig SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. So we're going to go ahead and get this seasoned up. Once we get this side done, we'll be flipping them over and doing the other side. And once we get this done, we're going to get that grill heated up to 400 degrees, that RecTeq BullsEye. And we'll be throwing these on the grill. So I'm going to get them flipped over, do the same thing on the other side. Okay, here's what we're going to be cooking on today, the RecTeq BullsEye. So let's get this guy fired up. Power on. Last cook was set at 450. We're going to cook today at 400. So we're going to let this guy get all up to temperature, and then we'll be throwing those chicken thighs on. Okay, this BullsEye hit 400. We got our chicken thighs on here now, and a couple potatoes. We pre-cooked them a little bit in the microwave, so we just threw them on the grill. So let's get this lid closed and let them cook. Okay, this is going to be our glaze. We're going to be putting on that chicken just before we pull it off the grill. We already got it mixed up here. We're going to be starting out with 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and we're going to let that melt, and then we're going to be adding this to that. And what we're using is 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 4 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of sriracha, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So let's go ahead and get that butter melted in the pan there, and we'll be adding this. Okay, we got our butter in the pan here, and we're going to let that melt. Then we're going to be adding all of our goodies right here. Okay, our butter is nice and melted here. Now we're going to add all of our goodies. And what we're going to do is stir this for 4 or 5 minutes and let it get all combined. And that'll be it for our glaze. So we're just going to let this simmer a little bit here for 4 or 5 minutes as we stir, and then it should be ready. Okay, we've flipped those chicken thighs over. Now it's time to put our honey sriracha glaze on there. So we're just going to brush some of that stuff on there. It's really looking good, guys. I can't wait to get it inside there and do a taste test. Get her closed up and let her finish cooking. Okay, I got those chicken thighs sitting in here. It was on the grill for about 35 minutes or so. Pulled them off with 165 degrees and they're looking good and smelling good. We're going to check them out, do a taste test, and I'll let you know. This is my favorite part. So let's get to it. Here they are. How good are these looking? Look at these. Only one thing left. Here it is. Got me a little bite. We're going in. It's really good. Got some heat from that sriracha. Guys, this is good. Give it a try. A little bit of heat. If you like it really hot, maybe why not add a little more sriracha. And if you don't like it so hot, maybe a little less. But this is good. It's not scorching my throat or anything, but a little bit of heat in there. It's really good. I think you're gonna like it. So guys, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one.